If you want to mute notifications from people you don't follow on X, formerly known as Twitter, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. This is a great way to cut down on spam, reduce random notifications, and keep your alerts focused on the people and conversations that actually matter to you. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more fast and easy tutorials like this. Let's get straight into it. First, open x.com and make sure you're signed in to your account. On the left side of the screen, look for the More option in the navigation bar and click it. This will open up the full menu with additional account settings and features. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of the main account, security, and privacy controls. Next, click Privacy and Safety. Inside this section, you'll find the tools that let you control what you see, who can interact with you, and how notifications behave. After that, click Mute and Block. This menu contains several options for filtering out content and limiting unwanted interactions. Now, select Muted Notifications. This is the area where you can decide which types of notifications you want to silence. Once you're inside, look for the option that says you don't follow. Toggle that setting on. By turning this on, X will stop showing you notifications from accounts you are not following, which can make your inbox a lot cleaner and easier to manage. And that's it. You've successfully muted notifications from people you don't follow on x.com. It only takes a moment, but it can make a big difference in how your notifications feel day to day. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.